Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening your Google account because YouTube country is tied to Google profile signals. Sign in, then go to Personal Info. This ensures location fields match. Once done, check language and home address. Make edits if they reflect the wrong country. You must save changes and wait a few minutes for Google to propagate settings. Make sure YouTube is closed in other tabs and on mobile apps before continuing, so the platform reads the updated account data immediately. Next, go directly to YouTube settings because that's where the visible country option lives. In YouTube, access settings, then general or advanced depending on layout, and change the location drop-down to the intended country. This affects content recommendations and some regional features. After changing, sign out of YouTube and sign back in so the client fetches updated profile and regional data. If you use multiple devices, repeat sign out / and on each to make sure the new country takes effect everywhere. Finally, verify changes by clearing your browser cache or opening YouTube in an incognito window to confirm the country update. Also check link services like Google Pay and your channel's advanced settings because mismatches can override location signals. If content still appears regionally incorrect, give it 24 to 48 hours for servers to propagate. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, clear cookies, try a different network, or temporarily remove and re-add the account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.